Science from a national perspective is highly prioritized in the education of students as it links their career with the industry. However, in the 2018 assessment of 15-year-old students from 79 countries around the world, the results have shown that the overall performance of the Philippines was among the lowest in the field of mathematics and science. And what do students say about science subjects like physics? Difficult and boring. Students of all ages, however, love playing video games. And since almost all students now uses cell phones for both entertainment and learning purposes, then why not create an educational mobile game for physics? With the funding of DOST PCIEERD and the collaboration of West Visayas State University, Western Institute of Technology has developed an educational mobile game specifically designed to aid senior high school students to improve their academic performance in their physics classes. Inspired by behind-the-scenes shoots of action movies, the game is all about the application of calculated physics in order to successfully perform a stunt scene. Just like the physics problems solved by students during class exams and seat works, the game also presents worded problems for the player to analyze, compute, and answer. Unlike the classroom method, however, the game will animate the result of the problem depending on the player's answer. For example, if a problem asked for an acceleration value, and the player answered lower than the correct answer, which is too slow, this is the resulting animation. The stunt has failed. But if the player answered with acceleration value that is too high or too fast, again, the stunt has failed. But if the player entered the correct answer, the animation will then show a successful stunt. Of course, the game is not just limited to driving stunts, but also action sequences like running, jumping, falling, throwing, and yes, even fighting giant monsters.
Lights, camera, action. Cut.
All in all, this game has a total of 45 playable stages of varying difficulty, each related either to the physics topics of velocity, acceleration, free fall, projectile, circular motion, and forces. With the game titled Stunt Science, the test version of this physics simulator game is now available for download for free at Google Play and App Store. After the development of the game, the project team conducted an experiment using pre-test and post-test design to determine the impact of the game to the academic performance of senior high school students who are enrolled in General Physics 1 subject. With the participation of 73 valid respondents, the result of the experiment has determined that playing the physics game improves the academic performance of secondary education students in their classes. Meaning, the development and nationwide use of educational mobile games could help Filipino students become more competitive with the rest of the world. For our institution, Western Institute of Technology, this project has enabled us produce research output that has the following attributes. 1. Externally funded. 2. High impact. 3. Multidisciplinary. 4. Collaborative with other institutions. 5. Publishable. And 6. Intellectual property protected. As we end our 12-month project, our journey with DOST PCIEERD has been a harmonious and productive experience, as their essential support has provided us with the resources and manpower we need in order to materialize our innovative ideas, which our institution cannot afford on its own. Do you have something in mind to contribute to science and the society? Let DOST PCIEERD help you. Plan your proposals now,